channel. Okay, I just want to start off by saying it makes me so sad seeing all you girls pay for these wigs when you could be getting them for free. Like, proof speaks louder than words. So I'll be right back.
Moments later.
Boom. You see all these wigs right here? Free, 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 free. Another one. Does this give low quality? 30-inch wigs you could be getting for free, but instead you want to keep paying for them because you don't want to start your wig influencer journey. Let me just show y'all, right? Because this is from Amazon. And y'all love to talk about Amazon wigs, but baby, do you see this quality? So I'm going to be putting y'all on like, ooh, just ooh. Since I was 17, I never paid for a wig. I just get them sent to me for free and I put them on and I record a TikTok and then more and more and more just keep showing up at my door. So yes, I have been gatekeeping this for at least 3 to 4 years now. And I'm tired of gatekeeping y'all. Like, I just have to put y'all onto the sauce. If you stick around to the end of the video, you will also get my vendors list, which is all the Instagram accounts that you can message that is ready to send you a free wig today. And if you don't believe me, I'm gonna submit the screenshots, the PayPal transactions, the package delivered, everything. Like I said, I have been getting free wigs for 3 years straight now, okay? I don't buy wigs. Now that I figure out you can get it for free, I don't buy wigs. If you're not looking to be a wig influencer, you can also resell them, because that's what I do. And I used to just pull up on girls, give them the wig, or they would pull up on me. I was making $1,000 in one day. One day, $1,000 in one day just from reselling my wigs. So yes, I'm about to put y'all on so you could take whatever you want with this knowledge and do whatever you want, baby, okay? Now let's get into the steps. Okay, the first step that you want to do is to have a Amazon account. Like I said, all these wigs are Amazon. So you want to have an Amazon account and you want to have at least one wig review. If you don't have a wig review, that's okay, but they tend to trust you more if you at least have one wig review. So I highly recommend that. Boom. The second thing you want to do is have a TikTok account. This is optional, but if you want to be a wig influencer, you need a TikTok account because you have to record you installing the wig. You have to like record like the video, like the quality of the wig, you know. So the way this whole process works is that you have to go on Amazon. You have to order the wig. And if you buy my vendors list, my vendors list is only $10, y'all. $10. It's the same vendors I've been shopping with since I was 17 to this day. They have not switched up. We got a close relationship. Like, boy, we be texting each other Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. They be commenting on my posts. If y'all go on Instagram, y'all will literally see them in my comments like, yeah, beautiful hair. Check your Instagram. We want to send you a hair. That's just what they do. And they don't want your money, y'all. They literally just want a 5-star review because it helps their wigs, you know, get farther up on the Amazon board. But anyways, I'm getting off track. After you create your TikTok, you're halfway there. Boom. The last step is you want to message these accounts. Now, I'm going to be nice and I'm going to put up one account that you can message. So guys, go ahead, message this account. And I'm going to tell you guys the copy and paste that you're going to send them. So feel free to pause the video and screenshot this. So this is the paragraph that you want to send them. In the blank spaces, replace it with your information. So for example, hi, my name is, I am from Rochester, New York, United States. It is very important that you tell them you are in the United States because they are looking for reviewers in the United States. So yeah, you copy and paste this paragraph to them and you send it to them and you wait for their reply. So boom, after you get their reply, after they reply to you, at least give them, I'll say 24 hours, because they're in China and they are in a completely different time zone as us. So that's why, you know, the timing with the text will be different, but they reply, okay? I can vouch, they will reply. After they reply, they're going to ask you if you can send them a review of your Amazon account, which is why this goes back to step 1. You need an Amazon account with at least 1 wig review because they will trust you more. If you show them an Amazon account and you don't got no review of a wig, you think they will trust you? They're going to ask you to send an Amazon screenshot of your account. So boom, after they approve you, they see like you're really real. After they check out your account and they see that you're really real, they're gonna show you a picture of the wig that they are offering. Now look, you could get something like this. You could get something like this. You can get burgundy. You could get whatever you want, okay? So they're even blonde. Blonde is super, super popular. I could tell that. Like they love to give out blonde wigs. So they're going to send you a picture of the wig that they are offering and you tell them, yes, I would love it. So boom, after that, they're going to tell you to type in keywords. So you have to search up the words on Amazon, for example, human hair lace front wigs. So after you search that, you scroll down and you look for the wig that they sent you. So after you find the wig, you screenshot it and you send it back to them. They will tell you, yes, that is the correct one. And they will tell you to place the order. Now, I haven't gotten anything less than 30 inches, okay? I always go for the longest length. Now, they will offer you 24 inches, or sometimes they will offer you a bob wig. I have took bob wigs before. I actually have a bob wig in my drawer that I didn't even put on yet. But anyway, like it's just so many wigs, y'all. Like I be switching out my wigs every week. Like you will get so much. Okay, baby, you want to be in a video so bad. Y'all say hi to Kayomi because she want to be in a video so bad. Okay, step 4, you want a PayPal account. PayPal is what they use to send you your money. So when you buy the wig, they send you your money like that. They always do 50% refund after the wig ships. And then they give you your last 50% of the refund when you write the review. So boom, basically that's your free wig, y'all. That's the sauce. That's how you got the wig for free. So if you continue to do business with them, they will trust you to the point you don't have to buy the wig at all. They're going to send you the money like that. If they trust you, they will send you the money up front. So it's very important that you don't run off on my people, okay? Because they are nice to even be doing this for us. So like if y'all try to run off on them, like if you get the wig and they send you your money and you don't write the review, oh baby, they're gonna come after you. They're gonna come after you, okay? Them China people don't play. Like I'm telling you, they would dispute it with PayPal. They will file a claim against you because mind you, they have your address. They have your name. They have your phone number. I'm telling y'all, you do not want to run off on these people. The last step is for you to install it. Now, you could get it professionally installed, but me personally, I was installing every wig that they sent me by myself. That's why I said it's very important to get these wigs because not only will you can start your wig influencer journey, but you can also resell them. You can install them yourself. And once you get good at it and you perfect your craft, shoot, you can start offering it as a service. Start offering wig installs as a service. And you can even start offering the wig. You could charge them for the wig and for the install. Like honestly, guys, This is such an easy hustle, a side hustle. You can use it for many different things. Like I said, I made $1,000 in one day from reselling wigs that I got for free. Like if Amazon priced it for $150, I would resell it for $100. Cause you know, I'm just a nice person and I know that I got this wig for free. So, you know, I would just resell it for $100. But if it's a really good, high quality, long wig like this, I don't know, I would tax like $200. And don't come for me about my prices because all the girls were shopping. Bon appetit. Anyways, guys, so that's basically how you get your free wig. I just laid down all the sauce. I gave y'all step by step. I gave y'all a free account that you can message, and I showed y'all what to do. So if you want over 30 accounts to message, I'm telling you, if you send 30 messages to 30 different accounts, you can get 30 different wigs. I kid y'all not. I've been doing this for 3 years straight. I get wigs every single day. Like one is on the way right now. I get wigs every single day. So please take my advice. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on my Instagram, Classiana. Or if you guys want to buy my vendors list, I am publishing my $10 ebook. It includes over 100 vendors, and it also includes the step-by-step guide that I just listed in the video. So I hope you guys found this educational. I hope you guys liked the video. And yeah, go ahead, use this knowledge to start your wig influencer journey. Use this knowledge to sell wigs. Use this knowledge to get better at doing your own wig installs. The only reason why I even started getting into this is because I wanted to learn how to do my own wig installs. And look, y'all, like, I'm going to show y'all a picture of what my first wig install looked like. This is what my wigs used to look like, okay? All them free good wigs I was getting, I was fucking them up, y'all. But now look. Now look how far I've gotten. The curls is good. Like, I'm telling y'all, this is really high quality, baby. Like, y'all not gonna believe me. If I'm lying, I'm frying, okay? All right, guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning into my video. Please subscribe and comment what y'all want me to tell y'all next, what videos y'all want next. Oh, and go watch my Tokyo, Japan vlog. I went to Tokyo, Japan by myself. So go watch that vlog, guys. Okay, I love y'all. Bye.